Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your TCL TabMax 10. So in order to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Google Classroom. So like this. Now select this app and install it. After installation process will be completed, the open button will show up. So simply click on it. Now let's get started. Choose the account you want to use for this app or add another one. I'm gonna use already existing one. Here to join the class, click on this plus button, join the class. In this pool right here, you will need to enter the class code, which you should be provided with. And after doing so, the blue button will show up and you'll be able to join the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.